Okay, this is problem number 1. It says verify tangent of pi over 2 divided by, pi over 2 minus u equals cotangent of f of u. And with these verifying problems, the first thing we want to see is which side do we want to work with. And you want to work with the more complicated side, the side that has more things to do with it. So it's going to be the left side. So we're going to work with the left side. And we also want to change tangent into sines and cosines. So we're going to write tangent of pi over 2 minus u as sine of pi over 2 minus u divided by cosine of pi over 2 minus u. That's the left-hand side. Now that equals, we're going to first change pi over 2 to be 90, and then we will use the subtraction formula to split the numerator and the denominator. So let's write this as sine of 90 minus u divided by the cosine of 90 minus u. Now we're ready to use our subtraction identity to split up the numerator and the denominator. So we have sine of 90 times cosine of u minus cosine of 90 times sine of u. And that's all divided by the cosine of 90 minus u split up. So that will be cosine of 90 times cosine of u plus sine of 90 times sine of u. Okay, now we can simplify a little bit more. We know what the sine of 90 is. That's 1. So the first term in the numerator will be just cosine of u. And we know what cosine of 90 is. That's 0. So the second part will cancel to 0 all over. Cosine of 90 is 0. So this part will be 0. Plus the sine of 90 is 1. So we're just left with the sine of u on the bottom. If we simplify that, we have cosine of u divided by sine of u. And we know that as cotangent of u. And the problem says verify that it equals cotangent of f of u. And since we need these two to be equal, we need f of u to equal u.